Hello everybody, welcome to AtNEET Physics by Arun video channel. In this video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter, and this is the 13th question from this chapter in our chapter. A light source of wavelength 520 nanometer emits 1.04 into 10 power plus 15 photons per second, while the second source of 460 nanometer produces 1.38 into 10 power plus 15 photons per second. Then the ratio of power of second source to that of means to the power of the first source is how much? A 1, it means what? Both are having the same power. A 1.00, B 1.02, C 1.5 and D 0.98. Okay, so power of the source. The equation for the power of the source P is equal to NH nu. What is N? Number of photons emitted per second. What is H? Planck's constant. What is nu? Frequency of radiation. It has not been given, but you know that C is equal to nu lambda, therefore nu is equal to C divided by lambda. So you can write P is equal to N H, instead of nu you will put C by lambda. What is lambda? Wavelength of light. What is C? Speed of light. So you are having two different sources. For the source 1, let the power be P1. P1 is equal to N1 HC divided by lambda 1. Sir, do we write H1, C1, etc. Sir? No. Is it not? That you know very well. H is the Planck's constant. It is always a constant. C is the speed of light. That is always a constant for here. Okay, that's so N1 HC by lambda. Only the number of photons emitted per second and the wavelength are changing. Okay, that's it. So N1 HC by lambda 1 for case 2 P2 is equal to N2 HC by lambda 2. What is the answer for this, sir? P2 by P1. The ratio P2 by P1 you are asked to find out. So P2 by P1 is equal to N2 HC by lambda 2. For P2, N2 HC by lambda 2. Then for P1, in the denominator, N1 HC, this lambda 1 will go up to the numerator. Is it not? So N2 HC lambda 1 divided by N1 HC lambda 2. Okay, that's it. So HC in the are on the numerator and also in the denominator. So let it be cancelled. So N2 lambda 1 is equal to N1 lambda 2. Inversely proportional. Okay, that's it. So now you put the values. Number of photons emitted per second in case 1, 1.04 into 10 power plus 15. Number of photons emitted per second in case 2, 1.38 into 10 power 15. Wavelength of light in case 1, 520 nanometer. It means what? 520 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Sir, we didn't write it, sir. Not necessarily. In both the cases, we are having nanometer. After all, we are going to find the ratio. So let it be 520 nanometer. So wavelength of light in case 2, 460 nanometer. Now you can substitute the values in this equation. P2 by P1 is equal to. So P2 by P1 is equal to 1.38 into 10 power 15 into 520 divided by 1.04 into 10 power 15 into 460. 10 power 15, 10 power 15 gets cancelled. So here you have 1.38. You write it as 138. There are nothing harm in it. But you must also rate it 1.04 as 104. Okay, that's it. It will be somewhat easy to you. So 138 instead of 520 and 460, I am rating 52 in first. What is this? Nothing wrong in it. So 138 into 52 divided by 104 into 46. Now you know one thing. This is 52. 1 into 52, 52. What is 2 into 52? 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 10. So here it is 52. It is 104. 52 by 104 is equal to 1 by 2. So you are writing P2 by P1 is equal to 138. 52 அடிச்சாச்சு divided by இது கீழே 2 வரும் 1 by 2 சொன்னா 2 into 46. So it is 138 into 90 by 92. இடாறு 12 2 மீது 1 எல்லாரும் 8 1 2 into 46 92. So this is equal to 1 into 1 into 92 92. What is the balance? 38 plus 8 46. So then put a decimal point here. 460. 5 into 92 460. I ரெண்டு 10க்கு சைவர் மீது 1 50 45. So 138 by 92 will give you 1.5. So 1.5 is the ratio. So PT by P1 is equal to 1.5. The ratio of power of the second source to that of first source is 1.5. So option C is the right answer. Okay. So far we have seen 13 questions from this chapter, real nature of radiation and matter so far. Okay, that's from round 1 and 2. From round 1 and round 2. So in the next video, we will discuss questions, multiple choice questions from some other chapter. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.